Hello and welcome to the WordPress website tutorial. Today I want to show you how simple and easy it is to create your own WordPress website, including tips and tricks, so let's get started. If you're looking to start your own website, you may think you need to be a professional coder to be able to make it happen, or even need a team of engineers in order to understand website language, but you don't. If you don't already own a WordPress website, the first step is to find a place that will host your website, include a domain and the WordPress system itself. We actually offer WordPress websites through Focused Business Solutions. All of our WordPress websites include 24/7 customer support, and you can even grab your domain and SSL certificate there too. So first go to login.focused-Biz.com in order to get started. At the top menu, you're going to want to select Websites, then WordPress. Choose the WordPress package that best meets your budget and your needs. My recommendation is the WordPress Ultimate. It includes an SSL certificate, so all you need to do is add a domain and you're good to go. Choose how long you want to pre-purchase your WordPress website and then hit continue. Follow the checkout process by creating an account, entering your billing and payment information, and then you'll be all set. Moving on to step 2, you're going to want to browse and choose your template or theme. There are tons of different options that are included with our service, and no matter the type of product or service that you offer, there is going to be a template design that you can start with and customize as you go. Everything from the font and typeface to the color scheme, size, layout can be customized later down the road. And finally, step 3 is to start designing your website. Once you log into your website, you're going to find a WordPress dashboard that looks very similar to this one. Navigate to the left side menu bar and click Pages. Select the page that you want to edit, and that will open the WordPress website builder. Go ahead and click the plus icon at the top left. This opens the block editor, or sometimes called WordPress widgets. Take a moment to browse your options and hover over each icon. It's going to display a preview of what that widget will look like inside of your website. Click or select the icon and you can drag and drop right into the area you want to use it. With our managed WordPress website, stock photos are included, or you can upload your own. Once you're finished editing, you can either save a draft or update or hit publish when you're ready. If you're looking to change the overall appearance of your website, click on Appearance and then Customize. If you click Site Design, you'll be able to change the entire font, color scheme, primary and secondary colors, your background colors, and more. Let's back out and go to the footer menu. You can change the design and layout, plus the background colors. And don't forget to hit publish once you're all done. And that's it. You've got the basics of a WordPress website. I want to share some helpful tips and tricks that I wish I knew before I started building websites. Make sure you remove any unused photos, plugins, and themes from your website. This is going to help increase the speed and help keep you organized. The content and copy on your website is super important. Consider your ideal buyer and your target market. What information are they going to want to find while they're making a decision? Do not forget to use alt tags and compress the file sizes of all your pictures. You want a fast loading website that can be found by search engines. And speaking of SEO, you'll want to update your title and meta description with the right keywords. There's nothing better than getting free organic traffic from Google, Bing, and Yahoo. Once a visitor comes to your website, you want to encourage them to take the next step in the process. So that includes calls to action with links, buttons, and forms. My next tip is to create a blog. Use the right keywords and create helpful content targeted towards the customer. Be sure to include one inbound link to your homepage and outbound links for the right keywords. The last and final tip is to be aware of the propagation period. When you hit publish, it's not immediately available across the world. It could take 2 to 48 hours before everyone sees your website. And that completes our WordPress website tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. For free resources and business tools, check out the links below.